Hi YouTube, this is Stanley with the virtual test drive on a Tesla Model Y. It's a 2022 model. 2021 and 2022 looks the same, but the previous one was a 2021 in my video. This is 2022 full self-driving. Not gonna do too much for self-driving and most important areas. A lot of videos does that, but can tell you a little bit about my experience with it in New York. Since I'm used to for self-driving, is definitely just like if you're driving. You have to pay more attention in New York actually. But other than that, it saves me a lot of pain. It's more relaxed driving, I would say, because now I don't have to try to figure out where I need to go, because it actually just turn where it needs to turn. Maybe it take a longer route. Maybe it does. But it gets you where you need to go. You know, so that's the relaxed portion. Because if I was using navigation, I would be, like right now it's doing it. Navigate on autopilot feature. For me, and I hope it got the right one. But it's gonna get me where I need to go. The airport. Which that's first one is supercharging first. That would gonna stay there for like 5 minutes, just so I return the car with at least something on it. Don't have to charge it. I got it to Turo, so you don't have to charge it all the way up when you choose one of the features. But I really love that car, even driving it here. I put on chill mode. That's the way I usually drive normally, basically in California. I have to put it on standard mode here. Not for the fun of it, but it just feels a lot better with all these turns, the people crossing you, being able to get out of the way. The full self-driving really helps on that portion. You know, but it really gave me like a second eye. I'm not getting paid for saying that, but I just appreciate the feature a lot. I'm in Queens. I'm just leaving Queens. You know, well, this is nice because now I've seen a lot of Teslas. Didn't see a lot of Tesla where I came from, but now in the it is Tuesday at 3:22, heading toward Manhattan. Traffic looks bad. Yeah, it does. It's amazing. And I wanted to actually shoot that video here before I give the car back. And do a charge. I'm hoping I can get a chance to charge it. Running a little bit late, and I hope that it doesn't get locked up. See, if there's something interesting, I'll try to video it. But stay tuned. This is where I need to go.
30W on the right.
Not even used to it. I thought I was turning the right. And I almost did by getting off. So that's what I like about it. I'm paying attention. It's holding the camera. There's a car there. They're supposed to stop. Supposed to stop, they didn't stop, so I had to slow down. So that's why you have to keep attention. It's just it's a second eye, because I don't know, normally maybe I would just drive or be cautious. I'll have to worry about that lane merging if I'm used to it, but the car was doing its thing and I was able to have a second look. It's always nice. But that was pretty interesting. But one thing I really like about driving this car also is the acceleration. So if I really want to get out of the way of somebody, I would just relax it. I have the longest distance set. When you get away of somebody, I can accelerate like crazy, like 1, 2, 3. Could have done a little bit more, but it's just very responsive. Very responsive. Stay tuned. We'll try again. Low speed. Acceleration. Hang on, Malin. Malin? Hang on.
I'm not calling to something.
Got the traffic, people going home. Ooh, another airplane. It's like not even 2 minutes after the other one. This is amazing. Quite quiet too. This is a newer model than I tested before. I got a video on another video somewhere where I'm driving a Model Y. But this is pretty nice. This is a lot quieter. The sound system is great. It's pretty amazing.
In 1 mile, keep right to take exit 17W onto Interstate 495 west toward Interstate 278.
I thought I saw this guy. I have the skyscrapers. Oh, there they are. Background. Definitely gonna get some shots of this. Traffic's got crazy. It's 387. Kind of crazy here. So, crossing the car. Queens Expressway.
In 1,000 feet, take the Interstate 278 west exit on the way toward Brooklyn Queens Expressway.
And then look at New York, Manhattan.
What?
Look at all the buildings. You see? Look. On the right there. We'll go over a bridge. Something I've never seen before. I just missed it. They have turn signals on the pictures. Look. We're showing turn signals and stoplights, and the cars is striking the cars. It's pretty amazing. Down there. This is so interesting. Of course, I'm not trying to, I'm avoiding paying tolls. That might be one of the reasons. But it's gonna take a whole hour and 6 minutes to go 11 miles. Wow. Nice view though. Kind of